Imagine a sunny morning. The dew still sparkles on the freshly cut grass. You sip your coffee leisurely while admiring the perfect lawn of your garden. You know that this perfection is not the result of long hours spent mowing, but thanks to an incredible innovation, the MAMMOTION YUKA 2000. This technological revolution transforms the chore of mowing into an absolute pleasure. Allow me to take you into the fascinating world of this mechanical marvel, where every detail is designed to simplify your life and beautify your garden. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. This product is ideal for garden owners with up to 2,000 landowners who are looking to automate the maintenance of their lawn effortlessly. Perfect for those looking for an eco-friendly, quiet, and ultra-efficient solution for a pristine lawn all year round. The MAMMOTION YUKA 2000 is not just a simple robotic lawnmower. It is an extension of your smart home, a loyal ally that looks after the health and beauty of your lawn. Designed to manage up to 2,000 millimeters of terrain, this technological gem uses 3D vision and RTK mapping system for unparalleled positioning accuracy. Imagine a robot that can mow with centimeter precision, even in the most cluttered gardens with numerous obstacles. Whether your garden is dotted with trees, outdoor furniture, or children's toys, the Yuka navigates effortlessly thanks to its advanced artificial intelligence. Another remarkable aspect of the MAMMOTION YUKA 2000 is its ability to manage up to 20 different mowing zones. With the MAMMOTION application, you can set schedules, cutting modes, and specific mowing heights for each zone. Do you have a children's play area or a vegetable garden that you want to protect? No problem. You can create restricted zones to prevent any accidental mowing. Narrow passages between houses or delicate obstacles are no longer a constraint. The flexibility and customization of the settings have never been easier. The technology doesn't stop. The MAMMOTION YUKA 2000 has an intelligent obstacle avoidance system, recognizing over 100 objects. Its AI binocular vision camera and rear RGB camera allow it to detect and avoid obstacles with incredible precision, providing optimal protection for everyone in your garden. The U-shaped anti-collision bumper adds an extra layer of physical safety, ensuring a smooth mowing experience without any risk of damage. 1000. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But what really sets the YUKA 2000 apart is its self-emptying sweeping functionality. Indeed, it is the first mower in the world to transition seamlessly from mowing to debris collection. Whether it's dead leaves, twigs, or even weeds, the sweeping kit tackles all of this with formidable efficiency. This innovation means that your lawn is not only mowed but also cleaned for impeccable maintenance, even in your absence. Unlike traditional gas-powered mowers, the MAMMOTION YUKA 2000 operates with a lithium battery, providing an eco-friendly and quiet solution. Once fully charged, it can mow up to 500 meters of lawn. Gone are the polluting emissions and deafening noises. It's time for an environmentally friendly mowing experience that respects the comfort of your neighborhood. Moreover, with its noise level below 60 decibels, it operates almost silently, allowing you to enjoy your garden without noise disturbances. Safety is also a priority for MAMMOTION. The MAMMOTION YUKA 2000 is equipped with lift and tilt sensors, a physical stop button, and a protective bar for the cutting disc. In the event of lifting or tilting, the mower automatically stops, ensuring maximum safety for you and your loved ones. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Beyond its impressive features, the MAMMOTION YUKA 2000 offers an exceptional user experience thanks to its compatibility with voice control and the MAMMOTION app. Imagine giving instructions to your mower with simple voice commands or adjusting the mowing settings directly from your smartphone. Wherever you are with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and G connectivity, controlling your lawn is literally at your fingertips. OTA updates ensure that your MAMMOTION YUKA 2000 is always at the forefront of technology. Each update brings new features, performance improvements, and fixes, ensuring that your robotic lawnmower constantly evolves to meet your needs and the challenges of your garden. To top it off, MAMMOTION offers a 2-year warranty on the MAMMOTION YUKA 2000. Customer experience and satisfaction are at the heart of their concerns. Their customer service team is always ready to answer your questions and resolve your issues in less than 24 hours. With such support, you can be sure that your investment is protected and that you will always benefit from professional and prompt assistance. Now, I propose to summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage of managing multiple mowing zones with precision thanks to the MAMMOTION application. Advantage 1. A smart obstacle avoidance system that recognizes over 100 objects. Advantage number 3. Unique self-emptying sweeping features on the market. Advantage number 4. Silent and environmentally friendly operation thanks to the lithium battery. Advantage number 5 is the continuous update of features via OTA. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1 is that the weight of the device, 15.6 kilograms, can make manual handling difficult for some people. In conclusion, the MAMMOTION YUKA 2000 is not just a lawnmower, it is a revolution in the field of lawn maintenance. With its advanced technology, flexibility, and innovative features, it transforms the chore of mowing into a simple and effective pleasure. Don't miss this opportunity to rediscover your garden from a new perspective. To order at the best price, learn more, and read hundreds of customer reviews, click on the link in the description. Enjoy the freedom and time that the MAMMOTION YUKA 2000 offers you, and dedicate those precious moments to what truly matters to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we select especially for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.